Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix 403 forbidden on ChatGPT or ChatGPT is not working error. So before moving to the video, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. I have 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in the first method, you have to just click on the 3 dots and then click on the settings in your Chrome browser and then click on the privacy and the security. Click on the cookies and the other side data. And now scroll down and open see all site data and permissions and tap to open it, and in the search bar you have to just write openai.com and you will find here your openai.com. You have to just delete it from here and then click clear. After doing so, your forbidden error 403 will be successfully fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the next method. This is one of the most effective method to solve this error. You have to just click on the 3 dots and then click on the more tools and now click on the extensions option here. After doing so, a new interface will be opened for you. So basically you have to disable all of the enabled extensions in your Google Chrome browser. By doing so, your problem of ChatGPT is not working or forbidden error 403 will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the third method. So in the third method, you have to just open a new tab and here search for the Chrome Web Store. Open the first website here. After opening up the Chrome web browser, you have to search here for the VPN. So basically we have to add a VPN to our Chrome browser as an extension. After doing so, our forbidden error 403 will be fixed successfully. So after searching VPN, you will find here a lot of the VPNs here. You can select anyone that you want to select and add to your Chrome browser. I am selecting the first one, Hola VPN. After doing so, you have to just click on the add to Chrome. After doing so, this will take a while for checking and then click on the add extension. So you can see that the downloading of this VPN has been started. So just wait for the completion of this downloading. After downloading, it will be automatically add in your Chrome extension and connect it automatically and your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just move to the final and the last method, which is basically to use the different browser to log into the ChatGPT, and after doing so your problem will be fixed. Like you can use the Firefox browser, your personal browser, or choose Microsoft Edge browser. So that's all. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video description. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.